Hey guys, today we're going to talk about something a little more involved than the wheel building tools we've shown you so far. We're going to talk about our bearing puller kit. It's pretty sweet. We have a 2 kilogram slide hammer on a rod and an assortment of little bearing grabbers that will thread in to the end of that rod and then expand, much in the same way as our Hub Genie tool does, and give you a good grip on that bearing so you can use that slide hammer to pull it out. I have here in the shop today my personal mountain bike. It's 2014 or 15 or whatever, I'm not really sure, a Trek Remedy 829er, and it has all the original bearings in the suspension linkage. And maybe it's time for some new ones. I've had a few wet races this year, a few wet rides, and it's probably due. So let's do it. Alright, so we have the rocker from the bike out, and as you can see we've got 6 bearings here that need replacing. First step is figure out which size collet we need from the bearing puller kit to get these out. So we'll get out the verniers and give a quick measure of the inner diameter. That looks to be, if we can focus, 10 millimeters. There's the magic one. Fits anything from a 10 to a 12 millimeter inner diameter. So we'll pull that. We will pull the slide hammer base and we'll put everything together and go to town. So we have all the pieces here in addition to a 14 millimeter wrench to secure that collet onto the slide hammer. We'll thread that on and give it a few turns. The EBEX feature on that wrench makes it super quick, and we're good to go. What we have here is our linkage and our assemble tool with the appropriate collet on the end of it. And the way this is going to work is we're going to stick the collet through the bearing we're trying to pull, and we will spin it back to expand the end of it, catching the lip at the end of the collet on the inside of the bearing. From there we will give a small tweak with that wrench to really lock it into place. And from here, the usage is pretty easy. We're going to hold on to our rocker, and we're going to give that slide hammer a number of slides back towards the handle of the tool, and that 2 kilograms times however fast you can accelerate it should, after a few strikes, pull that bearing free. I know that these ones are in there pretty securely, so it's going to take a few, but you'll see. Alright, here we go. Alright, I guess by a few I meant 3. I didn't even have to speed that one up. You can see how quick it was. And sorry for hitting the work stand I'm using as a tripod. I get a little violent sometimes. Either way, you see how effective and how easy the tool is. It's not a new design by any means. It's one we've been selling to other industries for quite a while. Primarily, we sell a lot of these to industrial maintenance departments. And if those guys who are using the tool all the time in much dirtier, much heavier conditions really appreciate it and really like it and keep coming back, I imagine it'll find a good home in your shop as well. So give it a look. It's the Unior 689/2BI. Check it out. Get one. Thanks for watching.